What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I built this pond right in front of my house and all my pets inside the pond. Also, I need a name for this fish, so comment down below what the name of this fish should be. And basically what this video is going to consist of is like time lapses of me building this pond from start to finish, and I'm just going to show you how it all went. And enjoy the video, guys. Alright, what is up, guys? I'm here with an update on the pond. We finished digging the pond. We dug it about 4 feet deep. This is it all around right here. I built a little ledge right here and then another drop off down all the way here to the bottom. Here's the pond looking all the way down there. And I'll show you a top view in a second, but yeah, after digging I'm going to finish off just straightening out the walls and digging off the bottom, making it flat, and then getting ready to lay down the new tarp. Here's the view from the top of the pond right here. We have a ledge that goes halfway around. The pond's about 15 feet long, about 10 feet across, about 4 feet deep. And right now I'm just gonna continue digging out and flattening the area, and we'll see you guys then.
It
I finished digging that whole pond. It took about, I don't know, 3-4 weeks, maybe even a month, I lost track. But that whole pond is dug. I laid sand on the bottom, flattened it all out, and right now what we're gonna do is take this pond liner. If you guys can see that. This is a, obviously 13 by 20 foot pond liner. And we're gonna open this up and put on the pond. If you guys wanna know, this one cost $99. So basically, for just the tarp for the pond is gonna be $100. And let's put this out there. All right, guys, I got the tarp here now. We're gonna put this one on. Alright guys, what I have next is this pond pump. This guy pumps 560 gallons per hour, and he's going to be cleaning our pond out for us. And this is also going to connect it to the waterfall, which is going to be on the side of the pond. I'll show you guys that later. And then I'm also going to be adding this fountain right here, which is going to connect to the filter. It's going to be connected with this tubing right here. This cost right here, this guy cost about $60. This guy was on sale for $6, which was normally priced at $18, and this guy was about $20. So building a pond's kind of expensive, but it's pretty worth it. And I'll see you guys at the pond. What's up guys, I'm back with another update. I just got back from Menards, spent $123 more, and what I went to buy, I bought some stuff for the pond to clean it out. I bought a little pump for the waterfall right here. Next thing I bought is a little spillway for the waterfall that I'm gonna build. And then lastly I bought a pond filter for on the bottom of the pond. Quick update for you guys. This is what it looks like from the time lapse. What we're gonna do is set up all the filtering system and waterfall. We're gonna put rocks around the whole thing, and pretty much we're just gonna finish it all up today. I got some bricks and rocks here for the tarp, and we're just gonna basically work on covering all the black tarp up and putting all the filter and rocks on, and I'll see you guys when we're doing that.